So kinesiology is the study of movement. That's its true definition, but it's really a huge plethora of programs and expertise areas like biomechanics and physiology and nutrition and just how the human body performs, whether it's through movement, through exercise, and how that affects our health. There's so many areas that they're looking at now. The most basic to this is that we usually think of it as like physical therapy, right? Where we go into rehab, we've had surgery, we're trying to rebuild back strength from surgery. But really, kinesiology does a lot with all different areas. Some of the ones that we don't think of as much is, for instance, you can work with cancer patients to increase someone's quality of life through their cancer treatments, and hopefully between the exercise and the treatment that they're getting, that they can actually go into remission. In terms of mental health, for example, things like anxiety and depression disorders, exercise can be as effective as taking medication. And then if you combine something like exercise plus cognitive behavioral therapy, they see even more improvements in symptoms. So it has a lot of not only physical benefits that lead into that mental health side of it as well. Many people associate like careers in kinesiology with an exercise physiologist somewhere. Again, the physical therapy is very popular, and we're thinking about helping those individuals with physical ailments and rehabbing them to get back out there. There's been a lot of growth in our field with helping special populations. So there are now certifications in working with individuals with disabilities where you can learn how to better help individuals who may be in a wheelchair or have a prosthetic. They also have a certification to work with individuals who have autism. There's individuals like health coaches who can kind of do the broad array of, if you have some stress management things that you'd like to deal with, if you're trying to better your nutrition habits or your exercise habits. So a lot of times in our field, because it is so interdisciplinary, we're dealing with multiple aspects of a physical or mental ailment in that way. If any of these areas are of interest to you, you can check out our website.